monstrosity that does what the Gump 2 years and against you Gump Dubbins. See, what people don't understand really about corn is that you don't just grow corn. You grow with corn. Now, as a corn farmer, or as some people like to call me, shepherd of the shuck.
Nobody calls you that.
Mr. Connor, Dr. Mueller needs a test dummy in the Biohazard Center.
Oh, thank God.
No, wait, don't leave me!
Yeah, so you got a Diet Coke there. You know, that has a lot of corn syrup.
Ah, yes, hello. I'm Dr. Mueller, and this is Dr. Mulligan. We're botanists from the Biohazard Center of Fungal Study. Now, due to an incident with the fly traps from Venus, the botany wing's a little short on test subjects, so we do apologize for any inconvenience.
It's cool.
This is Dr. Powers, our on-site shrink, and your temporary psychologist.
Well, what happened to my psychologist? Is he still trapped in the nightmare dimension?
I think you mean the night terror dimension.
It's an honor to meet you, Mr. Cornwall.
Oh, it's Connor. God, don't talk to me about corn right now.
Connor, sorry. Well, I'm here if you needed to talk, formally or casually, and I promise I won't be too invasive as long as you promise that you're not secretly a telepathic wizard trying to steal my body.
Okay.
This way, Mr. Connor.
I'm gonna get something to drink.
Yeah, get a beer and forget that ever happened, right? Holy shit.
The outcome of these tests vary among individuals, but not once have we experimented on someone with regenerative immortality.
Just so you know, it's very likely that you will die at least once listening to the song.
So, what is it, Ed Sheeran?
We can't hear you, but I'm sure that response was well funny.
And we'll be starting the music in 3, 2, 1. It's a fine day, people open windows, they leave their houses just for a short while. They walk by the grass and they look at the grass, they look at the sky. It's going to be a fine night tonight, it's going to be a fine day tomorrow. People open windows, they leave their houses just for a short while. They walk by the grass and they look at the grass, they look at the sky. It's going to
Christ,
be
I hope this isn't permanent.
That's interesting.
You're doing great, Connor.
Wow, that's all me? We're on some Buddha shit right here.
You'll begin to notice various types of fauna evolving from your original corpse. They'll be attracted to the music, so don't let them break the speaker.
Oh. Shit, we got beats. God, stay the hell away from me.
Unlucky?
You won't have my babies. Okay, you can have one baby. No, 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 no!
This is new. There's a containment breach. We need to shut down all the facilities.
No!
Oh dear.
Stop. Listen, I'm not some tree deity or forest spirit or whatever you think I am. I'm just a guy who was also a tree who couldn't be killed. No, man, you got this. Are we actually doing this? Are we actually leaving? I'm getting out.
So, you claim the humanoid entity invaded your mind and convinced you that you wanted to escape the facility.
Is that so hard to believe?
Well...
Come on. There's a giant slug downstairs that transforms into your greatest sexual desire, but this is too much.
Wait, it transforms?
What?
What?
Has it been 30 minutes yet?
Connor, you can tell me if you wanted to escape. I don't have to write it down. This facility is pretty grim and dark, and they put you through a lot of horrible tests. If you're feeling like, yo, fuck this, and fantasize about escaping, then you can tell me.
I guess I'm pretty meh about it.
Well, it's a start.